Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mills and I'm back with another video. I'm going to be talking about the Brazil tourist visa, but I'm going to be focusing more on the validity of the visa outside of Brazil and inside of Brazil. This is something that many people get confused. Brazil tourist visa is a multiple entry sticker which is given to you to travel to Brazil for tourism purpose for a period of time and has a validity date. After your Brazil tourist visa has been approved, the first thing you need to check is the validity of the visa. This visa is given depending on many different factors. It depends on the embassy you're applying from, it depends on the activities which you want to do in Brazil, as well as some nationalities. On the visa, you have the date of issue and the expiration date. Some people will get 1 month multiple entry visas, others will get 3 months multiple entry visas, others will get 1 year multiple entry visas, 5 years multiple entry visas, up to 10 years multiple entry visas. Most people are confused about the period of time of the visa outside of Brazil and inside of Brazil. Let me explain. That period of time given is actually the time that you have to use the visa. It is not the time that you have to use in Brazil. For example, you're given a 1 month visa, is going to expire in May, meaning you should be able to have traveled to Brazil before the end of their date that is given in May. If you were given 3 months visa from April, therefore means your visa has to expire in July. It means that you have to utilize that visa. You need to travel before the date in July. If you're given 1 year visa, it's going to be expiring next year 2027 in April, meaning that you have to travel before April 2027. If you're given 10 years, it's going to be the same thing. It is the validity of the visa, means that you have to travel before the last date on that visa. It is a period of time outside the moment you use the visa to travel to Brazil and you reach the port of entry of Brazil. A new permission to stay in Brazil is going to be given to you. If you're given 1 month multiple entry visa, you're going to be given 1 month stay in Brazil. If you are given 3 months visa, you're going to be given 3 months stay in Brazil. If you have 1 year, 5 years, 10 years visa, you're going to be given 3 months stay in Brazil. You're going to start counting your stay from that day that you got into Brazil. After you get into Brazil, no matter the time which you've been given, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, you have a maximum of 6 months to stay in Brazil per year. The visa that you're given is a multiple entry visa. If you're given 1 month and if after 1 month you haven't finished your activities that you came to do in Brazil, you can extend it only for another month. If you're given 3 months, then you can extend it for another 3 months. For you to do your extension is pretty simple. All you need to do is get your passport, go to the police station closest to you, which you pay approximately 110 reals, and your stay is going to be extended. Since it is a multiple entry visa, it means that you can enter, stay for a few days, exit, enter, stay for a few months, exit, enter again multiple times. If I'm given a 1 month visa, it means that my visa expires in May. When I get into Brazil in May, they're going to give me a 1 month visa. So it's going to expire in June. Now, if I want to extend my stay, they're going to give me another stay until July. After I return and I feel like I want to visit Brazil again, it's not going to be possible because my actual visa expired in May. So if I want to go to Brazil, I need to apply for a new visa. If I was given a 3 months visa and I traveled to Brazil in July, they're going to give me another 3 months. After 3 months, you can extend it for another 3 months. That's going to be 6 months. If you exit, that is it. You cannot travel again to Brazil because the original 3 months visa has already expired. If you're given a 1-year visa, April, my visa expires in April 2027. Now I decide to travel in May. You're going to give me 3 months visa. My first stay will end in August. If I want to still extend my stay, I can extend it for another 3 months. The next 3 months is going to expire in November. After that, that's already 6 months, so I have to exit. When I exit Brazil and I feel like I want to visit Brazil for New Year, or I want to visit Brazil for the carnival in February, what happens? Because my original visa expires in April 2027, my visa is still valid. But then you cannot use it anymore because you used 6 months in a space of 1 year. But then if I just entered, spent about 3 months, 2 months, and I exit, I can still enter again, spend about 2 months, 3 months, exit again within that 1 year frame. If you utilize all of the 6 months in that 1 year, you cannot exit and enter again. If you have a 5 years visa, 10 years visa, then you're good to go. If you exit after 6 months, then you have to wait again for another 6 months, then you can return again, and so on. So even if you have 1 month visa, I can enter in April, spend 2 days, leave, and enter again late April, spend 2 or 3 days, exit, and I can enter again multiple times until my visa expires. This is what people think. They think that, okay, if I'm given a 3 months visa, which will begin April and expire in July, it means that I have to get into Brazil in April and exit in July. But that's not how it actually works. It starts counting from the first day you get into Brazil. Some people even travel on the last day of their visa. You need to be very careful because there's some flights that will do 1 day plus. So you have to make sure that the 1 day plus is also inside the validity of the visa. Because if you reach Brazil when the visa expired in the air, you're not going to be able to enter. But that's why it's good to travel a few days to the expiration date. Maybe you don't have 1 or 2 problems at the airport, you have to return and travel again. Having a visa to a country does not guarantee you entry into that country. You can still be denied entry into the country. So make sure you have your correct documents, have everything in place. If you're coming for tourism purpose, make sure you have your return flight ticket, you have your hotel reservation, or you have the address of the person you'll be living with. Make sure you have money. You can prove maybe with a card, credit card, or debit card, or cash. Just make sure you have these 3 things in place. And also have the itinerary of maybe how long you're going to be spending in Brazil, as well as the city and the things you're going to be doing. Just have that in mind. A few questions and boom, you're done. So if you have any more questions, ask me in the comment section. Please like, share, and if you have subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the notification bell so that you get updated every time I upload a new video in that same light. Ciao.